Respected sir, my dear friend, good evening to all of you. Today I have been gotten a wonderful opportunity to present my point of view on the topic of the lifestyle of slum dwellers. So today I will present and I will letting you know what is slums and who are dwellers. So don't waste the time and let's begin. So first of all, who is dwellers? So basically the word slums is used to describe informal settlement within a city and with inadequate housing and miserable living condition. They are often overcrowded with many people and crammed into a very small living place. It's called slums. We can say dwellers. And slum dwellers in India regularly deals with many problems such as lack of clean water and constant migration. At slums, no sewage or waste disposal facilities and pollution and unsanitary living condition, high level of pollution and lack of basic need and room overcrowding are some of the basic problems of slums dwellers. And India is the third largest country that suffer from poverty and unhealthy condition. And more in India's slums, which is alone responsible for the diet of children than any other country because of dramatic rise of slums. And after dramatic rise of slums and after independence, India's population had tripled, and most of the population are slums dwellers in India. And during the last 2 decades, migration from village and small town metropolitan cities has increased and in metropolitan cities every year hundred of thousand men, women and children died, and India is alone responsible for the 25% of diet. And over the 90% of slums have a primary school within 1 kilometer, and likewise less than 50% of slums have a government hospital within 1 kilometer. And what is life like living in a slums? So as informal and illegal housing, and slums are often defined by unsafe and unhealthy homes like lack of windows and dirty floors and leaky wells and room overcrowding homes and limited or non-access basic service like water, toilet, electricity and transportation. And the last one is why is the slums? So the life condition of slums is very apathetic due to lack of basic facilities. To their day-to-day life, and they are socially, economically and politically weak and poor selection of urban societies. Thank you.